Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about adding a watermark in PPT slide, especially about the logo and how you can keep a logo as a watermark. Logo can be your organization ones or your company or a business, anything. So let's start with that one. First of all, we'll add a new slide which is completely blank. Okay. Then you need to go to the view, then go to slide master. In the slide master, what we can do is go to insert a shape. Let's take a rectangle, almost of square shape, and keep it in the middle of the slide. Okay. In here, we can do into two ways. Either from the shape format, you can go to shape fill, then picture. In other way, click in the box, right click in it, go to the format shape, then in here you can see fill. Okay. In fill, you go to picture or texture fill. From picture field, you can add a logo. Logo is here. Click and insert. It is inserted, right? If you click outside, you can see a border, right? Border is completely black, so we need to remove that border first. Click in the logo, go to the shape format, and in the shape outline, you can click no outline. Okay, so outline is gone. Now, if you write something here, the logo will disturb. So, what we can do, make it more transparent so that it will be easy to see logo as a watermark. So for making it more transparent, click here, go here, and then transparency, increase the transparency. Let's keep it to 80. Okay, now you can see it, right? So you can do apply to all and just close the master view from here. Yeah, you can see here, right? Just add a new slide. You cannot edit this logo from here. So to edit again, you need to go to view, slide master, and then in slide master you can make it larger or edit anything you want. Okay, and then close the master view. See, it's increasing all the slide, it increased, right? Like this way. This is the logo as a watermark in your PPT slide. You can make it more opaque or more transparent as you like.